Hi, I'm Gary Miner with Twirlybird, and today we want to answer the question, what is Twirlybird? So in a typical spa and pool environment like you see behind me, we have return lines that deliver in the pool circulated, chlorinated, and heated sometimes water. In a spa environment, we have air and water mixed to create a therapy. Well, really our choices have been very limited as pool builders for more than a decade. You can either choose what's typically been on the market since the 1970s, which is an eyeball type fitting, or you can use a complicated above ground jet that's been modified for an in-ground application. You and I both know that we've tried those, and many of you have either gone away from those or still have some difficulty because of the complex environment that we work in and the customizable environment that we work in on a daily basis. Twirlybird solves both of those problems. So, on the return line, whether you use inch plumbing or 1.5-inch plumbing, which I'll show you in a minute on a Venturi tee, it doesn't matter. Our fitting goes over the outside of inch and it goes inside of 1.5 inches. However, in the spa, it's really important to note that with Twirlybird, the consumer has the ability to have true hydrotherapy and choose which type of hydrotherapy massage that they want every time they're in their spa, every user. So with the Twirlybird system, we use this standard universal housing. You'll see that it's a dark gray in color. That's for white applications or black applications, tan or blue. Every pool gets, and every return line gets a standard universal housing. The reason we've chosen dark gray is because it disappears into the shadow behind the colors. So if you'll notice here on our board, we have all of our different fittings and we have all of our different housings. So you'll see all of the colors there, but then as we turn over, you'll notice that that universal housing gets completely covered, whether you're in tan, light gray, dark gray, or a black environment, and even white. So with our system, you simply take a tool, you remove a head while you're sitting in front of it, and you replace it with another one with just a simple twist and lock fit. Let me take you now to the board where it's important that we show you the different massage therapy fittings that we actually offer. So in this first spa application, we call this a deep tissue, something that maybe you're used to, except we added a little sweetener to this one. This one has a beveled edge to really force that water right onto your back for that pinpointed massage therapy. In this next one, we have a single stream of water and we have 3 interrupters. So as this one turns, you'll see just enough of a canter here that it spins at a little bit slower rate than the next one, but it has a stronger feeling. So this one's going to be strong, this one's going to be firm, this one here, this one's going to be medium, and this one's going to be soft. This one, as it spins, those interruptions happen, causing that pulsating on your back. The next massage feeling that we have is our pulsating. This one is very unique. This one has 2 streams of water and 6 interruptions on the faceplate. And so this one is more like somebody's kneading your back with their hands or karate chopping you, again causing that pulsating feeling or massage therapy. Then finally, our last one is what we call a soft stream. You'll notice something on this one, along with all of our other fittings, we've done a really good job of beveling every single hole so that we force water so that we get a stronger sensation on your back. You know, this one we find is a fantastic finishing jet. So as you move around, you might want to start with something a little bit stronger on your back. Then maybe move to something a little more like thumbs on your back or our shiatsu massage. Then the next one, you're going to have that pulsating massage. And then finally, a very full feeling shower type where all of the air and water comes through each of these 18 holes. So this is really a nice one to sit in front of at the very end of that massage. You know, the unique thing about Twirlybird is that all of those housings are the same, and so if you want to, if you have a jet at a little different height, you can just pop one out and put it over on that one. If you have one at a lower one, but you want it to be a little softer, then you take that other head and you put it right in there, and then you twist and lock it into place.